Just found the ElevenLabs Killer. Guys, this is Fish Audio, and I just cloned the American Greed voice. You guys remember this American Greed voice?
Of American Greed. James Morgan McGill has a secret weapon. His mouth.
I know you remember that iconic voice. It's raspy, so unique, and so good for that show. Now watch this. If I come over here to My Voices tab, and you'll see American Greed voice. This is the one that I just cloned. All I did was use a 3-minute audio sample, and it is so identical. Watch this. I'll click on Use Voice, and I'm just going to highlight this, and I'm going to paste in this little intro that I wrote. I put my name in an intro that I wrote for an American Greed episode. If I go ahead and click on Generate and Play, you'll see how identical it is. Tell me if you could tell the difference between this or an actual episode of American Greed.
In early 2019, 25-year-old AI Web TV appears to be living the American dream.
Wait. I know you hear it. That's an identical clone. That's only off of a 3-minute sample, but let me just do it justice. All right, let me play it from the beginning. I want to do it justice. Let me put the little American Greed soundtrack to that. Let me start this music off, and then I'll play that real quick.
In early 2019, 25-year-old AI Web TV appears to be living the American dream. The successful YouTuber drives luxury cars and lives in a $3.2 million mansion. But federal investigators say AI Web TV is running one of the largest counterfeiting schemes in state history. He uses his strikingly good looks to pass fake $100 bills to mom-and-pop grocery stores all over the United States. But what he doesn't know is that Secret Service is closing in.
Now tell me, did you hear a difference between that and the actual American Greed episode? So anyways, I want to show you guys how easy it is to do it. You could follow along with me, and I'm going to clone somebody else's voice in real time just to show you how easy this is. So let me just come back over here to the home tab on Fish Audio. You'll see there's a couple different choices right here. You can clone your own voice. This is why I like this setup on Fish Audio, is because it's very simple. It's not much to figure out. They keep it nice and simple for the users. You can generate speech by just typing in, some text like everybody else. I'll just come over here to the left side where it says voice cloning. And what you're going to do is just upload some audio. You can upload as little as 30 seconds. I'm going to go with 3 minutes. That seems to be the sweet spot to get a perfect clone. But first, let me show you who I'm going to clone right now. You guys have been seeing this kid's video going viral, right? Nick Shirley.
On the expose of the fraud in Minnesota is the most viewed video ever by a creator, longer than 10 minutes, than anybody other than the name of Mr. Beast.
I'm sure you guys have seen this kid going viral, so I'm going to show you real time how to clone a voice and make it a perfect and accurate clone with only a 3-minute audio sample. We come back over to Fish Audio, and we're going to click on upload to upload our sample, and I'm going to click on desktop. And right here I have Nick Shirley raw audio sample. So I already had a 3-minute sample cut out, and if I wanted to, I could play it right here just so you guys can
Video
hear.
on the expose of the fraud in Minnesota.
So that's the same exact sample from what you just heard on YouTube. Come over here to where it says continue to details, and I can enter in a voice name right there. So I'll just type in Nick Shirley. Under the description, that's optional, so I'll just leave it blank for now. The tags are also optional. You can add tags if you want it to be found if you're going to make this voice public. Right here you can see public, unlisted, or private. These are the different choices when you go to clone a voice. So if you don't want anybody to be able to find it, go ahead and make it on private. If you want it to be unlisted, and you can share the link with people so only specific people can use that voice, click on unlisted. Or of course, if you want it to be discovered by everybody else, you could click on public. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on private for now so that only I can use this voice. And I'm going to click create. And it's literally that simple, you guys. Uploaded a 3-minute audio sample, typed in the name that I want it to be saved under, and I click create. And in just a couple seconds, it will be done super fast. Make sure you guys check the time at the bottom of the screen. And there you go. It's done. What was that, 1 minute? I think it started at 4:34 a.m. and now it's 4:35 a.m. Now I have a perfect Nick Shirley clone. Watch this. Click on use voice. Type in something real quick. Okay, guys, I just wrote a couple sentences, as you can see, and I'm going to click on generate and play. And
my name is Nick Shirley, and I am the one that discovered all the fraud going on in Minnesota. But you know what's not a fraud? Fish Audio. They're definitely not a fraud because their prices are cheaper than ElevenLabs. You can clone voices quicker and you get an unlimited amount of voice clones. Oh, and shout out to AI Web TV.
That was real time. You could see just how realistic these voice clones are just off of a quick little audio sample. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is if you come over here to the Discovery tab, there's all of these different voices that have already been cloned. These are voices that you guys can use without even having to clone anything. So, for example, you could see the Sleepless Historian. You guys might be familiar with this YouTube channel.
About 6,000 years ago in southern Mesopotamia.
You guys know that YouTube channel. Maybe you've come across it.
Ever wonder what medieval kitchens actually smelled like? Not the pleasant aroma of fresh bread we imagine.
So there you go. They already have these voices cloned for you guys to use. All you do is click on use and you can just type in whatever you want. Now, one of the reasons why I tell you guys that this is the ElevenLabs Killer, let's check this out. I want to show you guys the pricing plan. So if we look at ElevenLabs, this is ElevenLabs' website, you can see that they have a free tier. And for the free tier, they give you 10,000 credits per month. Now, if you come over to fishaudio, they also have a free tier. And they give you 8,000 credits per month. So for the free tier, they're pretty similar. ElevenLabs gives you 2,000 more credits. However, the main difference is, let's see what happens when you have to start paying for stuff. Because eventually, if you're running like a faceless channel or something, you're going to have to start paying for at least a small plan because you're going to need a good amount of time. For the starter plan for ElevenLabs, you'll see that they give you 30,000 credits for $5 a month. That's for ElevenLabs. Now, when you come over to fishaudio, this is why I say that fishaudio is the ElevenLabs Killer. Look at this. For just $5.50 a month, you get 250,000 credits every month. Okay, look at the difference. 30,000 credits for ElevenLabs. That's a 220,000 credit difference. So you could pay basically the same amount, $5.50 more, and you're getting 220,000 more credits every single month. And then the plan goes up from there. The next plan for ElevenLabs is $11 a month. For the creator, you get 100,000 credits. But for fishaudio, for $37 a month, you get 2 million credits a month. Okay, so that's like pretty much overkill. Most people would only need the plus plan for $5.50 a month. That's plenty of time. You're getting 250,000 credits monthly. But if you have maybe an agency, the pro plan for only $37 and 2 million credits, that's crazy. So that's exactly why I say that this is an ElevenLabs Killer. It's super simple to use. As you can see over here on the left-hand side, they have different things like Story Studio, where if you click on one of these examples, you'll see this is built for a longer style. Maybe you have a 10-minute script. You'll be able to come in here. You can change, but line by line, you can change if you want a different voice. So I can use American Greed voice for this line, and then I could come into the next line and I could use David Attenborough. And then for the next line, I could come down here and I could use this voice, Emily Meditation. So you could change the voices line by line, and you can also edit the text real time, and you don't have to generate the entire script over and over again. For example, maybe I wanted to change it from saying flying right here to driving. I'm able to change this in real time, and then I can play it and it's going to update it in real time.
There was a boy who dreamed of driving.
Not with planes, but with wings he built himself.
He tried once. He tried twice. Pained. He failed again and again.
And then if you look over here on the left-hand side, there's also a tool called audio separation. This is for you guys that are cloning voices. You need a very clean sample in order to get a high-quality voice clone. And luckily for you, they've integrated a tool that will separate any audio. So let's say you upload some audio that has background music. I'll come over here and you can see that you can separate anything. You can isolate anything. So you could just isolate the vocals when you upload it, and it'll remove all that background music. And then you'll be able to get a good high quality voice clone. Make sure you guys click the link in the description and save yourself a ton of money. Like I said, they have a free plan. So if you want to get started for free and you don't have to spend any money at all, go ahead and test out their free plan, and you could see for yourself how good these voice clones are. And not to mention, they give you unlimited voice clones. So when you get one of the plans, you get unlimited voice clones. You can make as many as you possibly want, unlike other companies that are going to limit you to a couple of voice clones, maybe 3 or 4, and then you're done. fishaudio gives you unlimited voice clones, another huge advantage. So make sure you guys go check it out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.